Alright, ladies and gents, here we go. My hydroponic garden, part 3. As I said before, we're going to check in on these and see how they're looking. I planted the seeds in probably, what day was that? The day is the 10th, September the 10th. I planted the seeds around the 4th of September, not the 3rd of September. A date we always remember, because that was the day that my dad, no, not the Temptations. Papa was a Rolling Stone. See, y'all know I can sing this. Okay, let's check these. Let's check them out now. It looks like I got something going on here. So let's get a little closer. We're gonna get a little closer here. As a matter of fact, let me we're gonna have it. See, let's get a little closer. Turn this up. See what I got. See what I got here. See what progress you had. So it's been about, I would say, what, 3? Seed was planted on the 4th of September. The day is the 10th, so that's 6 days. So these 6 days, what you see here is 6 days growth. And yep, 6 days. I didn't put any plant food in immediately. It comes with plant food. I didn't put anything in it. Well, I put some in yesterday, but that was it. They basically grew this tall without plant food. This is what I got. See, what you have here is chili peppers. Actually, I'm gonna leave that off. Actually, the chili pepper I put those in maybe a couple of days after the 6th. The chili peppers and the watermelon right here. See that seed coming up? I got that from a watermelon seed I had. And same with the chili pepper. We got over here, we have lettuce, butter crunchy lettuce, turnip, focus this. Got the turnips. This is collards here. You can see it. And we got over here, these are collards too, but these collards I got from my own seeds. I grew some collards. These are collards I bought right here, collard greens. In the back we have mustard. It's mustard right there. And we have Romanian lettuce right here. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. So they're coming along okay for 6 days. For 6 days. So we'll see. I can take all this off now. So we'll keep the progress going and get back with it in about. Oh, as you can see the light. The light was shining. I turned that up, but the light is on probably so many hours, and then automatically goes off. So the light did go off, turn off, and it'll probably come back on automatically when, I don't know. You can always reset the lights though when you cut it on and off. But Water level's okay. Let's see. 6 liters, that's okay. So there we go. So we'll check back in on this in probably about another maybe a week or two and see what we got going on. So far so good. So hopefully we'll keep up the good work here. Yeah, we keep up the good work here. So we'll check back. That's just a check-in. All right, ladies and gents. Y'all have a good one. Hey, y'all, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Edna-Reco, R-E-C-O Network. I plan to go live on YouTube sometime soon, so subscribe to my channel. There's going to be a lot of action going on there. Okay? All right now. Website, phelpspublication.com. You'll find a lot of books on there. Have a great day.